The novel coronavirus COVID-19 has enveloped the entire world for well over a year now. After its origin in Wuhan, China, the COVID-19 virus has spread to all sectors of Earth, taking over 3 million lives with it, causing a wide array of health issues like chest pains and shortness of breath that could complicate into more serious conditions. The virus was quick to cause a total shutdown of most nations. However, this pandemic's effect was not only limited to human life and activities. Its environment, including its animals and plants, were positively as well as negatively impacted by the sudden halt that the world was put on because of the virus. According to a research study done in 2020, there was an average decrease of 36.44% in observed SPM concentration